Hey guys, we're back. Today we're coming at you with another iPhone case, this time by a company called Phone Rebel. This is their Flex series. It is the sequel to the first generation, and I've been anticipating this case ever since I got my iPhone 13 Pro, and it finally just came out, so I wanted to give you guys a quick unboxing and my initial thoughts. So first, this case costs $37.99, which, like I said, it's a sequel from the Generation 1, which came out with the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and that case was $40. So this small company, who was started by a fellow YouTuber, Everything Apple Pro, he was able to, just in a couple years, bring the price down a couple dollars. So I think that's great. It came in its own packaging with its own label, with its own logo on it, I should say. I tossed it out, but it came just with the case, as well as a sticker. So kind of gives you a little installation instructions on there and a sticker to throw on whatever you'd like. So let's get right into it. Here's the packaging. So this is the Flex series, which is the open-sided case. So it's going to leave the edges exposed, but this guy has done just crazy drop videos, and in all of his research he found that the sides don't really get dinged up because it's got these little bumpers. Those sides will be protected, but they also show off the beauty of your phone. So if you look at that, it offers some aggressive edge guards from top to bottom. Like I said, real emerald fiber weave. It comes with a screen protector and side protectors if you want to put those on as well. And it's got MagSafe compatible, 30% stronger over OEM, which is Apple's MagSafe magnets. So let's open it up. It's got this little side tab. I botched that one. And bam. So really nice. This one just comes in a black, what is this, carbon fiber. But they also have some closed-sided cases, which will come in different colors, different options. So you can get the carbon fiber, you can get a clear one, you can get a frosted one. But it looks like in here is also that screen protector. And this is freaking nice. It's the Nano Armor by FlowLab. So I think this is like a $10 screen protector by itself. So, you know, that's just some added value that they're throwing in there. And they got a little dust wipe on there, and it looks like alcohol wipe to throw that on there. Here's your side guards. You know, we'll get into that later. I'm not going to throw these on. I didn't put them on my last one, but they're there if you like them. So let's get this out of the way. Let's get it on to the phone. 13 Pro. Snaps right in. Pretty easy to get on there, except I didn't do it right. Has all the nice cutouts. If you have a bigger, a bigger USB, wish it was a USB-C, a bigger lightning cable, it would probably fit right in there. It exposes those edges like we had talked about. And you see right on there, it says Flex series. You can kind of get that in there. But I really dig this. It makes it a lot less bulky. So I had this on my 11 Pro Max, which, you know, at the time was a huge phone. And here's the one I got. Here's the Generation 1. I got it in the frosted because that was the first year they had those frosted backs. I like showing that off, but you can kind of see the improvements on it. This just feels like a really solid built case. And I want to test the magnets on there. So you can see that is on there pretty tight. Bam. That's always something that, you know, he's focused on, was having these magnets in this Flex series or in this Rebel series, even before there was MagSafe. So he was talking about just attaching it onto car mounts and stuff like that. So before MagSafe was even a thing, you know, he was integrating these into his cases. So it does leave a little mark there, kind of rubs right out. But this is awesome. And for the price, I mean, $37.99, you know, you see cases on Amazon that don't offer this much quality, protection, screen protectors, everything for that. Here's the case from Pataka. This thing was $59.99, and you know, it's nowhere near the, you know, I would say the quality of what this Phone Rebel is. So let's take a look on the inside. There's this really nice soft, it's almost like a foam, because it's a little bit squishy, not too bad, but you know, it protects the back of the device, where this is just nothing. So, you know, I'm gonna have this on, you know, for the next few weeks, test it out. If you guys have any questions, you know, let me know in the comments below. But, you know, just wanted to show you guys just a quick unboxing. So leave a comment, leave a like, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more of this. We're going to be coming at you with more iPhone stuff, more iPad stuff here in the near future. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.